Joe Montgomery here from educationlawyers.com with a brief update for parents and clients and students that may have current cases going with our firm. First, I want to let you know that you can rest assured that we are still working. We're working hard. All your cases, we're working remotely. And again, this is something that we've been set up to do, right? We've worked in the office, but with cloud technologies for a very long time. We have all sorts of technologies to stay connected with each other, with our clients, to digitally transfer files. All of the lawyers here are taking Zoom meetings. Again, we have access to all of our client files through a cloud portal. So if you're a client who has a current case with Montgomery Law, I want to let you know first and foremost, you have nothing to worry about. We are on it. It's business as usual. Everything's A-okay, for real. No worries. Second, I want to let you know that some courts are open. Federal courts are open. They're doing virtual hearings. We're having phone calls and conferences with hearing officers. While it really is a suspended state for due process hearings, if your case is in due process, it doesn't mean that these hearings aren't going to start back up quickly and soon. It's possible, right? Because again, court reporting companies are reaching out to us every day and letting us know that they're willing to do depositions or other hearing matters remotely. They're willing to do video conferencing. They're willing to do phone conferencing, right? So the technology's here. We have had access to it for a very long time. I think now other firms and other people might be playing catch up and trying to reach to the levels that we've been, but I want to, again, rest assured, we've had this technology in place for a very long time. This is not new to us. We actually thrive in a remote digital setting. Never, ever should anyone thrive on chaos, but it's okay to thrive in chaos, and we do. We're used to working under all sorts of different situations, and we're providing the same top-flight legal service that we always have, if not even better. If you have any questions about your case, call in anytime. Our phones are open 24/7, 215-650-7563, or email me personally, joe@educationlawyers.com, and I will make sure personally that any problem you may have is handled immediately. By way of an update, what's happening in schools as of today, March 24th, it looks as though schools, at least Philadelphia, have made the decision to move forward remotely. So what this means to parents of children with special needs is that you should be staying hyper vigilant as to what the school is providing your child. So if there are services in your child's IEP that the school's unable to provide, later on they're going to have to make up for that, and they're going to have to make up for it in the form of compensatory education or compensatory services, and that's services or a fund of money that can be used to make up for whatever your child missed during these times. So we urge you to keep a daily log, a daily calendar of what your child is supposed to receive and what, if anything, they did receive in terms of special education support and related services. We've made a log that you can print or keep track of online that can be found at educationlawyers.com/COVID. I'm also going to attach it to the body of an email that we're going to send out to all of our current clients. We urge you to use this log and to keep daily track of what, if anything, the school's providing, because at some later date, they will and should be responsible to provide these services for your child. So parents, I know this isn't easy for you. Teachers and school administrators, I know it's not easy for you as well, and we're here with you. We're all in this together, but we want to make sure that parents have the resources that they need to get through these times. I commend you for spending these days with your children and doing the best that you can to homeschool, right? We're being forced into homeschooling, and parents, from what I hear and what I'm seeing, you're doing a phenomenal job in turning everyday little life tasks into lessons for your children. So keep up the good work. But in the meantime, make sure that you do keep a daily log of what your child's supposed to receive and what they're actually receiving. And if you don't know what they're supposed to receive, shoot us an email, joe@educationlawyers.com. We can take a look at your child's IEP, and we can help you determine what your child is supposed to receive during this time away. And I say time away, not time off, because this isn't time off, right? We're practicing physical distancing. We're away from school. We're away from each other, but it's still time on as far as the Department of Education and schools are concerned. So Joe Montgomery, again, wishing you the best. Check us out at educationlawyers.com/COVID for up-to-the-minute updates, because again, you need up-to-the-minute updates because it's really been a roller coaster. It's hard to keep track of what schools are doing, what they're supposed to be doing, and what they plan on doing in the future, but we hope that we can help a little bit at educationlawyers.com/COVID.